Hi, Danny, back with more on the abs. Let's focus on external obliques. Touch your right side here. You could sit or stand for this. Brush downwards. I'll do my left side, your right. From your lower ribs to your pelvis. These external obliques on the right side twist you to the left. They're part of the muscles that rotate you. Whether that's a right hook, forearm in tennis, golf swing, turning in the car. Now take your left hand and brush upward on the left side. Your internal obliques, a deeper layer of diagonal muscles, rotate you to the same side. So together, you would brush your right hand down and your left hand up and feel this nice, natural torso movement. I think we should balance that out. Left hand, left ribs, external obliques, focus, helping you rotate to the opposite side. So the more superficial muscles from the ribs, diagonal down to the pelvis, sliding into the pocket there. Your right internal obliques are also helping turn you to the right. So you could brush upwards from pelvis to ribs and even do a bit of both. Right hand down, left hand up. And then do both together. Go a little quicker if you want to. Oblique muscles. They also support side bending. So let's throw in a few side bends, some lateral movement. You get side planks and uppercuts, various muscles. Serving in tennis, part of the golf swing. Side bending. And they also support flexion of the torso as well, working with the rectus abdominis. So there's a downward motion there. Okay, thanks for watching a little mini video about these cross diagonal fibers helping you twist and side bend in your life and in your sport.